recording. Okay, recording is started, I think.
Okay. So the first task is about the option as a number. This in the form field. If we need to use something to save as a number, for example, we need this to save as a number, then we check this use value as a number, then the value will be saved as a number, not the string, these values.
My
Okay.
question is value as an checkbox.
Yes.
So I'm selecting, making the setting.
Yes. Number. Yes. And after this is mostly done if we need to use this for calculation on the back end or something.
Okay.
So this is first task, and another was to use the same thing in the super filter. I mean, to filter out. Before it was not filtering out for this. I don't have anything for 5.
Yeah, I get this.
You got this? Okay.
Yeah.
And then what other thing? Reporting bug app. In this also we need to update this to have the number, and it is
Now
its number.
form config.
Yeah, it is from the form.
So if we switch on the form settings, then it will respond
String
to
or number.
this.
Yes.
Okay, so it will string or the number depends on the settings of
In the form.
form is hard-coded.
And dashboard, and the dashboard and the widget. Dashboard and widget are here.
Number
This.
3.
And this is a 2D widget, and this is one-dimensional widget. How to set up this?
Dimensional with passing the correct value to count. And on the right side, you have widgets who just showing the applications and counts on the applications.
Okay. Wait.
They have different settings. That's right one. You just selecting the applications that you like to have. No more function. Just simple.
Okay.
Happy? Oh.
Yeah. Proceeding, but I found some problem with that. Just checking that. Okay, it seems to be okay. Okay, this is 2-dimensional and 1D. We can create however we want in this view here. This is simple 1D widget, and this is 2D widget. The settings in the
Okay, you have destroyed this code. You have to make in the dashboard. Close it and go to the dashboard.
But how it's deploying?
No,
this is destroying?
I destroyed this yet. I just defined not correct ones.
So you mean the third one will be correct?
Yeah. Because you remember we creating
I
dashboard. And
but something strange happened. There was some API calling with the new.
Okay, you have a new log.
For sure?
Yeah.
Okay. This is one-dimensional one. Widget name. This is the workspace app for which we will be counting. For example, I will be using new issue. It will be just showing the count of the number of the record in that workspace.
Applications for workspace.
Yeah, exactly.
So and the column, the first column, we have two columns.
Now we have the.
And we can pass extra filter if we need to, which this will be used
like in advanced field.
Okay.
And if we need to show extra column here, we can do this like EST time And
Counting
this,
too?
yeah, it will be counting too. Yeah, and the
Fields,
sort is,
yeah.
yeah,
It
this
So,
should
includes.
be the number
so
type.
what is about the widgets?
This widget
Okay.
sort 1, 2,
At
3, 4,
refresh
like
time
this.
in minutes, okay,
Automatically
we
refreshing
should
after
have
this
some
much time.
info that 0 for no.
If we don't pass anything, it will not be refreshing. And this is the test. Maybe some problem with this
Or maybe
label.
not estimate.
Maybe,
Yeah,
yeah.
maybe.
Yeah, we have just one
Issue.
checking to do that we have this. And
It is in the new issue. I will check this new issue. It is estimated. I will confirm the label.
number, yeah. So a problem that this is
Maybe, and you
Okay, I will.
you
just
destroy some.
re-click this 20. Let's set up this.
Yeah, I did this. I will just check estimation. It is correct. Okay, I will update this to 20. And now to the text.
Because if there will be strings, then they will be not counted.
Yeah.
It is.
And after we change this, that the numbers are available, we need every time just re-click
Yeah, I got this.
the new value, yeah. That's coming.
Okay,
So that's great. This
this
is
is one.
like simple widget. Yeah, this is fine.
And now let's create two-dimensional widget. Two-dimensional
You have
widget.
created upstairs, yeah?
Yeah, but need to show him workspace. It is the alignment, and this is the filter from the office. I will show from where to set up this. I will pick some status, and then we have this x-axis, x-axis, and y-axis like this.
Two dimensions.
X-axis. Yeah.
For example, responsible by
Which fields are counting? Right?
we counting by 2 dimensions. Select, for example, state responsible.
Okay.
So you get the list of and one view we count.
Yeah, I get this.
And this is
Like
the,
tabela przestawna in
Yeah,
Excel.
exactly.
and this is the field of which you need to count this.
Then we have counting,
Mm-hmm.
which
And
to
if you
then
need to
we
have,
count. So,
if you need to count of the record, then this is
so
this
you
one.
solve this problem that if we not pass the counting, then it's broken because that's how we destroy the.
Okay, not yet.
That's how we destroy this, yeah.
Yes,
And you got it.
and this is
Okay, estimation time will be counting only the number values, yeah. Yeah, but this start looking good, I think.
Yeah.
And one more thing, look, we have, for example, that test on the left side bottom dashboard. Can you go to the dashboard?
yeah, I will. This button
yeah.
is used to save the filter. Any filter, you can make filters here, whatever you want, and search this filter, and just click this to save the name, and it will appear on that selection in this view.
Yeah, but we need to have that filter.
Here we have this filter here.
We need to have stuff to remove or rename the filter. And to be honest, that filters. Remember, we creating the filters, and filters have the parameter about rec ID that they are assigned for.
Yes, and we have.
Can't you simply just give us? Okay, we have that.
We have list of filters here. Okay, it's a little bit not good. This filter is showing empty filter. This will be the object of the filter, and we can just delete for now, not rename.
We have. Okay, what is that?
This is expandable. This is the name, the register selected, and the ID if we need. And if we expand, we have the filter which is stored. I'll make some padding here. We need something more.
We need to remove. We have removed
Yeah,
name. Don't have name.
the rename is not there.
And that information about this. Happy, you
We
should
have this
not.
much.
I think so that you simply should not implement new kind of the interfaces. Got me? Using, for example, list, some pop-up form or some edit form, then we should keep it like that. Not make new ways of presenting data. But okay,
Okay.
it's okay. This is just ours. Yeah, but filters. Why you didn't give that filters management pop-up layout just to reuse this on the different places? For example, I would like from the grid level where we are using these filters, have these filters selectable from the drop-down, for example, that filters are related to the register that we are the workspace. Okay?
Mm.
Another thing, how to reuse that filters on the workspace. Let's say that we have on the workspace the select box for the app to show the filters there. And we have on the settings on the workspace, uh, sorry, on the app, workspace app, the selection with filters should be close select inside the view. And we simply pulling from here and we saving that filters there. So we just building that relation. Now we have just saved the filters, right?
Yes.
This is okay. Okay, we have that management, but how to use that filters correctly on the view? The issue. And simply allow us to do something more than only build the build the widgets by that filter, because we have that filters saving.
Yeah, but that will be the next task. I just
Okay,
did
okay,
this
okay.
was
So
this
we need
much.
to describe the
Next.
okay.
Yes. Yeah, I just gave that to delete at least
Yeah.
some
Okay.
settings.
So we can remove filter now, and we can create based on it.
Yeah, and
So
management
do
will
you
be
understand this all information?
Yeah, I think so.
So recheck that it's working from your side. How
Okay.
happy did it? And please write one document about the widgets.
Okay.
So and follow this. And we're lucky because we have this. I hope so that we have saved that. So that's it. Happy
yeah, yeah.
about this. So this task is yeah. Yeah, I would
Uh,
like you, Łukasz, you test it again, yeah, and I
Okay.
will just give that.
make sure you have that console open, and if you found something bad, then just let me know, because I saw something and wasn't able to notice that,
Okay. Okay.
because
That
there
new
was
one
something in the
was
network.
yeah for sure. Have that new entry.
And I will check
Have some from
this error.
uh,
I'll check the error, some error now.
happy
It
in
is.
the for progress tasks are for sure that layouts. And again, we can rethink that use that library for this, or just simply the rows layout and then how much like to show in the columns. I think so that rows and columns is just easy. Just read the HTML to allow to multiply rows. In rows, just allow to multiply columns. That's it.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then keep height of the widgets, and allow the columns. The width of the columns should be like predefined with layouts. Don't need like custom dual layouts. We just need to have 5 layouts. That's it. Like half, 30, 70, 70 to 30, the 100% of main.
Okay.
Yeah, but I think so that we still can have like 5 columns layout, because can you go to the dashboard again? Look, that simple widget without additional counts. Go to the that simple widget without additional counts, like top right one, test 2.
Mm-hmm.
So it can be probably just 100 pixels. So we
This
probably,
one's
yeah, we probably could have like 5 of them on one row.
okay.
Yeah, and this is Łukasz. For example, this widget,
Mm-hmm.
we can have two-dimensional, or we can simply just create this widget 5 times, name it like happy task, honest task, Łukasz task, stuff like that,
Yeah.
and we can just filter out this by the hard filter on it.
Yeah.
So this is the another way to show this data. So and this could like really, yeah, but in this case we just showing the applications. Two-dimensional is just more, but yeah, for now we don't have. Probably we have one or more, but for now we don't have. And probably we will be trying to have some graphical visualization.
Mm-hmm. The chart.
Yeah, the chart for this data is that counts with the
Mm.
application. Like totally easy.
Yes.
So we could have like pie chart, for example, that we should that with the graphical, and it just change the visualization of the platform from touch on. Have
Mm-hmm.
that dashboard. It's looking good now, even, but some colorized elements or just big numbers like how many total in progress we have tasks, for example, in one element, yeah? Like in dashboard.
Okay.
Have that
So should I add this task or what?
no, for now we need to have dashboards rows, columns, and simply add this task to your in progress and progress.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you. I finished recording.
Okay.